Hello everyone, I'm Big Al Cox. Welcome to the shop and welcome back to the start of some other videos on this channel. This is my Troy-Bilt TB210 mower. The mower is doing great with one exception. It really needs new drive wheels on the front again. If I'm going up a grade, there's just no traction anymore. New OEM drive wheels for this machine are not cheap, running up to $60 or more for a set. In fact, I robbed the ones on it now from a parts mower some time ago, and now it looks like I'm going to have to change them out again. Recently, a company called Waevee contacted me and offered me to send me new front wheels for the old girl here. I checked out Wyevee, that's W-Y-E-V-E-E, on Amazon, and the wheels actually look to be really well made as opposed to other knockoffs, which are, by the way, junk and will break and crack easily, and are way worse than OEM, so you might as well pay the OEM price for the new wheels. I told Wyevee to send me the wheels, that if I liked them I would share their replacement with you. They are priced great. Let's see if the quality is there in real life. I'm going to get these wheels unpacked from shipping and see what they look like. First off, these wheels feel good. The weight is there. Unlike the OEM replacements I've tried in the past. In fact, they are solid and they have a quality feel. So far, just taking them out of the box, I'm impressed. They are 5-spoke for a good strength, and the gear cog looks and feels heavy duty. Nothing like the other knockoff wheels I've tried before. This wheel just feels good. Waevee claims that these are OEM quality, but actually I think these may be better than OEM. The size of these wheels are 2 inches by 8 inches high with a 1/2 inch hole diameter. Changing the front wheel drive wheels on this Troy-Bilt MTD manufactured machine is one of the easiest things you can do as far as maintenance. First off, you'll want to place a wood block under the frame of the machine. A 9/16 inch socket will remove the nut that holds the wheels on the axle. I'm going to take a piece of medium grade sandpaper here and just clean off this axle. This is some parts cleaner. I'm just going to spray this off. This is some Napa general purpose axle and bearing grease. I will apply some of this to re-lubricate the axle. I will also do the gear drive and the inside drive teeth of the wheel. Now the Wyevee replacement wheel can go on, and you should be able to feel the gear lock in on the wheel. Now I can replace the 9/16 inch nut that holds the wheel on. Now I just do the same for the other side. With the new Waevee wheels installed, I can remove the wood block. Those wheels look good on there. It's not going to be long before I need new back wheels. Makes me want to restore the mower. Looks aren't everything we learn. I use this mower to do small yards and go places that I can't go with a riding mower. That includes the steeper grades and strips of grass on slopes. So having good wheels on the front of this machine to pull the weight is a must. Adding in pure 90 octane ethanol free fuel, an absolute to help keep reliable running power equipment in my book. I have a little test hill here I'm going to try this on. I usually actually cut this with a weed eater, but this will be a good test for the new Waevee wheels. The grass is a little damp from the rain earlier also, but let's see if the new Waevee wheels will pull this Troy-Bilt 210 up a grade. These Wyevee wheels are great replacements for a Troy-Bilt TB210 mower or other front-wheel drive MTD manufactured machine. The wheels grip good and roll evenly. I like them a lot so far, and I would recommend that you give them a try. They are very surprisingly good quality for the price and are made to the OEM specs, and for around half the price. I can see no reason why these wheels won't give me equal or maybe even better service than the OEM. I'll also add that the quality of these wheels are nothing like any other knockoffs on eBay or Amazon that I've personally seen. I left the link to buy these Wyevee replacement drive wheels on Amazon in the description. I hope you will try them on your machine. Let me know what you think about them and tell Wyevee we sent you. These fit a lot of different MTD manufactured front wheel drive machines like this one under the Troy-Bilt, Craftsman, Cub Cadet, Yard Machines, and other MTD owned brand trademarks. Basically the same front wheel drive belt setups. Just check the Amazon sales page for your model compatibility. I would like to thank Waevee for sending me these wheels. Check out their store on Amazon. They sell lots of parts like blades, pulleys, spindles, belts, and other stuff you may need to keep your mower going, with quality replacements and great prices. I'll also leave a link to their store in the description. I'm Big Al Cox. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos saving things from the landfill. Wishing you many blessings from my shop to yours.